Live streaming is another steady stream of income. Now, I am going to be sharing with you guys how you can stream on multiple platforms: Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, simultaneously at the same time. Okay, we are all set up for the streaming. Okay, leave alone this system. This is the actual system that will be streaming on a steady level. This is a straight system. This is for gaming. Jason will be streaming with this system on a weekly basis. So this system will be going live online on multiple platforms. I'm going to share with you guys how to do this. For me to be able to make this possible, I'm going to be recording the video where I'm teaching him. Those of you that would like your child or that would like to learn how to stream on multiple platforms at the same time. Okay, but meanwhile, I have a Quest 2, Quest 2, okay, for sale. Yes, Quest 2, very clean. All right, open box from US. I'm using this one. I have another 2 open box like this. Okay, so if you're interested, you can buzz me. That's my Quest 1. It's still perfectly working after like 3-4 years. So this system will not be streaming anyway. Okay, this is the graphics section for thumbnail for the streaming. Every device is connected on Starlink. Then we'll have our 5G for uploading. Uploading is faster on 5G than in Starlink. Okay, this system is for graphics, and this is for game streaming online: YouTube, Discord, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and this is my main server, which is Alienware. This one is not streaming anything, so this is just a normal for connecting to different systems in different countries, you know, where I used to connect and work for people. So we'll be going live online on this system in different platforms, and I will be teaching you guys how you can be able to achieve this. Okay, so if you're interested and if you want to know, that is a very big plus. Okay, those of you that would like to know how to stream on that, that's a very big plus, because it's a very high stream of income, for real. I'm not joking. Okay, if you're consistent and if you have something good to let out there, for you to be able to stream on different platforms, your fan base is going to increase so much. So if you're interested, make sure you follow up. I'll be posting it. The live stream will be going on his own YouTube channel, not my own YouTube channel, his own YouTube channel, and I'll be updating via WhatsApp status and different Telegram and all that.